Hello mga kapatid, so I just want to share with you all the new recipe, my own version of braised chicken with potato and carrots. So you need to do is, you need to fry the carrots and potato first. So it'll fry until light brown. So kapag may light brown na nakikita, ayun na, okay na yun. And then you marinate it with the chicken, you marinate it with soy sauce, salt, pepper, sugar, corn flour, and that's it. And set aside, you need to put some sesame oil also. Set the fried garlic, ginger, and after that you put the chicken. So you need to put the chicken and pan fry it first until light brown, and then after that, when it become light brown, guys, then you need to add the water. So just need to cook it for 30 minutes. So yun lang, para hindi din ma-overcook yung chicken. Kasi mas yummy yung chicken kapag hindi overcook. So after that, you need to add potato and carrots. Oh, you need to add potato and carrots first before the water. So then add the water and add soy sauce, sugar, rock sugar, and the tomato sauce. So that's it, guys. So napaka-yummy. Then you boil it for 30 minutes until the sauce is thickened. So napakadali lang, napaka-easy at napakadaling gawin na braised chicken with potato and carrots. So napaka-easy recipe ng Chinese recipe. So sa mga gustong magluto ng Chinese food, so ito lang, napakadali. So thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always.